Microsoft has been on a roll lately with the release of several innovative products. The tech giant recently integrated the revolutionary ChatGPT into its search engine, browser, and other applications. It also unveiled its latest product, Microsoft 365 Copilot, which is meant to accelerate productivity tools with generative AI. And now, Microsoft has introduced another game changer, Microsoft Loop. So, what is Microsoft Loop actually? Let's find out in today's video. Microsoft Loop is a collaborative hub that offers a new way of working across Office apps, managing tasks and projects. Say goodbye to the frustration of jumping between apps and losing track of documents and ideas. Loop is made up of workspaces, pages, and components. With Loop, you can access all your existing workspaces and create new ones on the homepage. Within a workspace, you can bring everything you need for your project together in one place. You can start from scratch or choose a pre-made template to kick off a workspace. Loop can even help you add existing project-related information and organize it into pages. You can use the / command to add labels, images, emoji, tables, and more right inside where you're typing in Loop pages. The shortcut lets you link up suggested files or tag co-workers or friends. You can continue adding to your workspace as your project evolves and organize it the way you want. Loop pages are flexible canvases where you can react, comment, and build on each other's ideas. Notifications help you track the things you care about and focus on what matters, all while staying in the flow of your work. Don't let app barriers slow your project down. You can easily share information with people outside your workspace with Loop components. Components are portable pieces of content that stay in sync across all the places they have been shared, no matter where they are updated. You can share components and create new ones like lists, tables, paragraphs, and more across your favorite Microsoft 365 apps. You're always in control because it's easy to see where components were shared and who has access. However you work, wherever you work, Loop enables teams to think, plan, and create together like never before. If you're familiar with collaborative platforms like Google Docs, you'll be pleased to hear that the Loop preview will also support up to 50 people working on a workspace simultaneously. While Microsoft has extensively tested this feature with hundreds of users to ensure scalability, it's designed to suit teams of 2 to 12 people who are closely collaborating on a project. Microsoft is also privately testing its new Microsoft 365 Copilot system within Loop. This AI-powered tool can help generate blueprints and brainstorm ideas. Moreover, Microsoft is expanding Loop's capabilities to mobile devices. Although creating documents on the phone can be challenging, having access to your work and being able to jot down ideas or take photos on the go can be incredibly helpful. The mobile Loop app is specifically designed to capture all these moments. Finally, Microsoft is now offering a public preview of Loop, so businesses and consumers alike can test out the early version of the software. If you have a Microsoft account or Azure Active Directory account, you can access it through the web app or iOS and Android. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with your friends. And if you want to see more awesome videos like this, be sure to subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.